pandigang entablado, kinikilala ang ating mga guro.
I think yung quality ng education natin sa Pilipinas ay isang malaking factor bakit yung Indonesia in particular ay kumukuha ng maraming teachers sa atin. At dito sa school ko, masasabi ko na yung team ng Filipino teachers ay talagang napaka-supportive, high quality yung performance, at in return, na-appreciate yun ng mga administrators namin.
I think we are really, really blessed and lucky to have Filipino teachers in our school, and they just come with such a passion and a devotion to learning, and there's this innate quality that I wish I could bottle, because there's a joy, there's a love of learning, there's a relentless quest to be the best that they can be. And you don't always see that in educators all over the world, but Filipinos have it in bottles, and they just share it, and there's an inner passion and a love and a joy. They have great relationships with students, they connect, they're really personable, and then they give the knowledge and the application and the experience.
I brought in some best practices of guidance counseling now, which really was very effective in the Philippines. So when dinala ko dito, settled in, slowly progressing na yung mga bata is not afraid of the guidance office. Tapos ngayon, successfully, at least they're very comfortable. So, at least effective tayo.
Ikinararangal ko po, proud na proud po ako na sabihin sa buong mundo na ang ating mga gurong OFW ay matyaga, masipag, versatile. Pwedeng kahit saan mo sila ihapon, kayang-kaya. Marunong makisama, at higit sa lahat po, may puso sa bawat turo. Sa atin pong mga OFW na mga guro sa buong mundo na nakakaramdam ng hirap, ang masasabi ko po, kapit sa Panginoon unang-una. Pangalawa, magtiyaga, magsipag dahil hindi ito nasasayang. Mahalin ang ating trabaho. Mahalin ang ating propesyon. At dahil kung mahal natin ang ating propesyon, magaan na ibigay ang ating kaalaman sa mga estudyante natin.
Saan mang panig ng mundo, tinitingala ang gurong Pilipino. Kaya't handog natin ngayong gabi dito sa KSP, tugtugang pang-international na tiyak ay magpapaidak sa ating lahat.
Mabuhay ang mga Pilipinong guro sa mang panig ng mundo.